In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Godaddy website with ease. Whether you're showcasing a product, sharing a tutorial, or simply making your website more engaging, adding a video can make all the difference. So let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, head over to the Godaddy website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. This is where you have access to all of Godaddy's website building and management options. Without this step, we won't be able to add that all-important video. Next, look for the Products section. Click on it and this will bring you to a page where all your Godaddy products are listed, including any domains and websites you have associated with your account. This is a crucial juncture as it provides you with an overview of all the tools at your disposal. Once you've familiarized yourself with that, scroll through until you find the particular website you wish to work on. From there, select Edit Website. This is your gateway to making changes and updates to how your website looks and functions. Clicking here will take you to a user-friendly website editor interface. Now that you're inside the website editor, look for the option to Add Section. This feature is designed to make it easy for you to insert new components into your web page. A section can be anything from text blocks and image galleries to, as we're focusing on today, videos. Simply click on Add Section to proceed. With the Add Section menu open, we need to locate our desired section type. In the search bar, type in Video. This will filter the options and help us zero in on the video section, making it quicker to find. You might see various video layout options, so pick the one that best fits your website aesthetic and functional needs. After selecting the video section, click on it. This action will open up the specifics of your video section, where you can customize and prepare it for your own content. You're almost there, just one click away from your new video section being placed on your site. Finally, click Add to confirm. Your new video section will now be part of your website. From here you can upload your video or link to an existing online video, such as a YouTube or Vimeo link, depending on what suits your content strategy. That's it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a video to your Godaddy website. Remember, video content is a powerful tool to engage your audience, so use it wisely. Thanks for watching and happy website building.